Guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. In the additional, not in today's newspaper, on Thursday, January the 18th, 2024. Told you in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the additional of a Wednesday. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, January the 17th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku, having troubles with this one, and the 2-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. One puzzle. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Here, let me. Alright. Come on. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Up, 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 up. Come on, come on. Newspaper. Well, this one will be number 7827. This is correct, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 1 star. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box. Here, single box. Always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and a 2. The 1 is already given here, so this should be a 2. Here also 1 and a 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then the following step. It's, yeah, no quadra boxes. My next strategy is to look for shapes. For figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Yeah. Come on. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. The T shape. More T shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. And it's also connected with that box, will be also 2. Here we have also an L shape. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. More L shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. And it's also connected with that box. So we also a 4. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box, I think it's a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this W area shape. We have 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. Okay. These 2 boxes. Oh wait, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Oh, could be there, but we already have a 4 here. This box can be a 4. So the only place left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. Then let me see. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 5 goes there. Then, think. Well. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Well. 4. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, and 4 goes there. And now, yeah. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there. Because if I place the 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 here. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be in, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Shoot it in. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. Oh, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. Okay, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, I don't think this box should be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 5, okay. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 to 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. And the final box, final digit should be a 1 here. 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Last working day, the Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.